Hello students, today we shall solve some problems in exercise 1.1, problem number 6. Right, look at the question first. Express the following in decimal form. So given 4 bits here, so we have to convert them into decimal form. Okay, so how can we convert them into decimal form? By using long division method. Okay, so but here I am without long division method, I am going to convert them into decimal form. How ma? Look at here. Suppose if the denominator is 10, 100 and 1000 or 10,000, we can simply remove these zeros and taking the point between the, for example, if it is 10,000, take the point in front of 4 numbers. Okay. If the denominator is 1000, remove the 3 zeros and take the point in front of 3 numbers. If it is 100, remove the 2 zeros and take the point in front of 2 digits. If it is 10, take the point in front of 1 number. Okay, right. So first one, 242 by 1000 ma. It means, so take the point in front of 3 digits. It means 1, 2, 3. It means 0.242. It is okay. Right. This is the decimal form of 242 by 1000. Next, 354 by 500. So it is not in the form of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. It is 500. So we can convert this into 1000 ma. How ma? Look at here. So I am multiplying with 2 by 2. If I multiply with 2 denominator and numerator by 2 and 2, what becomes ma? It becomes 708. It becomes 1000. So for 3 zeros, I am taking the point in front of 3 digits. It means 0.708. Okay. This is the decimal form of this 354 by 500. Next, coming to 2 by 5. Okay. So 2 by 5, I am multiplying with 2. Okay. It becomes 4 by 10. So for 1 0, take a point in front of 1 digit, it becomes 0.4. Okay. Next, coming to 115 by 4 ma. Okay. So here it is 4 ma. So I am multiplying with here 25 into 25. What it becomes ma? Look at here. If I multiply 25 into 25, denominator becomes, so 115 into 25 by 4 into 25. So 115 into 25, how much ma? 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 6, 7 and 5 1s are 5. Next, 2 into 5, 10, carry 1, 2 1s are 2, 3 it is, 2 1s are 2, 5, 7, 8, 2. Okay. What becomes ma? 2875 by, it becomes 100. For 2 zeros, I am taking the point in front of 2 digits. It means 2875 is the decimal form of 115 by 4. Okay ma? Right ma? So if you look carefully here, all these are terminating decimals ma. Okay. So these are all terminating decimals. Okay. Right. Now look at the second bit. So we have to convert this into decimal form. So by using long division method, I am going to solve here. Okay. Right. Look at the first question ma. 2 by 3. So we can divide 2 by 3. Okay. So take a point here. It becomes 0. 3 6 18 it is, and remainder is 2. Again take a 0 here, and again 3 6 18. 2 as it is, take 0 again, takes 3 6 and 2, it will be repeated like this only. Okay. So it means 2 by 3 is equals to 0.666 so on. Okay. It means we can write 0.6 bar. Okay. Right. Look at the second one. Minus 25 by 36. Okay. Right. Forget about this minus for some time. So take 36, 25 as it is. Okay, take a point here and 0. So 36 to 50 means 36 and 60, 36 5. Okay, right. So 36 into 6, look at here. 6 6 is 36, 6 3 is 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, 36 6 is 216. Okay, next 4 it is. From 4 we are getting again it is 3. So again take a 0 here. 34 is smaller than 36, right? So again take 343, 36 10s are 360. So 36 into 9, okay, 9 6 are 54, 9 3 is 27, 32, 324, okay, and take 9, 324, here it is 10 minus 4, 6, and 3 minus 2 it is 1, okay, and take 0 again. So look at here. So 160. So 36 into 2, 72, 72, 72, 144. Okay, right. 36 4s are 144. And take here. Take a borrow from 6. It becomes 6 and 1. Okay. Take again 0 here. And again 36 4s are 144. Remainder again 16. Take 0 again here. And 4s are 144, it will be repeating like this, okay. So it means minus 25 by 36 we can write as minus 0.694444, so on. It means minus 0.694 bar on the top of 4, okay. This is the decimal form of minus 25 by 36, okay, right. Next coming to 22 by 7. So I am going to erase this and pause the video and write down these notes. So I am going to erase this right. Next look at for third problem. Okay. So 22 by 7 means 7 here and 22. 7 3s are 21. 1 remainder. Take a point here and 0 here. 7 1s are 7. Okay. Remainder is 3. Due to this point, take 0 here. 7 4s are 28. Okay. Take remainder as 2 here. And next, take a 0 here. 7 2s are 14. Isn't it? Right. Remainder you got here 6. Take 0 here and 7 8s are 56 and remainder 4. Take again 0 and 7 5s are 35. 5 is remainder and take 0 here. 7 7s are 49. Remainder is 1. So again look at here, it is 1. And we back to here again 1, okay. So it means this will be repeating again here. So this is also repeated like that only, okay. So it means 22 by 7 we can write 3.142857 so on. It means 3.142857 repeated here. It means on the top of this 142857 bar, okay, right. This is the decimal form of 22 by 7, okay, right ma. Next coming to 11 by 9, okay. So I am going to erase this. So 11 by 9. So take 9, 11 here. 9 1s are 9. Remainder 2. Take a point here and 0 here. 9 2s are 18. Again it is remainder 2. Take 0 again. 9 2s 18. So take 2 here and 0. And again 2 18. So it will be repeating like that only, okay. So it means 11 by 9 we can write as 1.222 so on. It means 11 by 9 we can express in the form of decimals 1.2 bar. 2 is repeating, that is why on the top of 2 we are keeping the bar here. Okay, right. So look at here ma. In the sixth problem, first bit is terminating decimals. Okay, now these are non-terminating recurring decimals. Okay, right ma.